Hello everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making a simple and healthy zucchini and tofu dish. This recipe is easy to prepare, delicious, and perfect for a light meal. Stay until the end to see the beautiful final result. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Wash the zucchini thoroughly and cut it into thin strips. Next, place the zucchini in a bowl. Add a little salt and mix well. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to draw out excess moisture. Peel the garlic cloves and finely chop them. This simple step helps bring out the garlic's natural aroma and rich flavor. Meanwhile, cut the tofu into bite-sized cubes. Heat a little olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Carefully add the tofu to the pan. Once the zucchini has rested, gently squeeze out the excess water and set it aside to drain. This zucchini and tofu dish is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Zucchini is low in calories and rich in water, making it a great choice for a light and refreshing meal. It contains vitamins A and C, which help support a healthy immune system and overall well-being. Zucchini also provides fiber, which may help support healthy digestion and keep you feeling satisfied longer. Add the minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Next, add the drained zucchini strips to the pan. Stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the zucchini becomes tender, while still maintaining its fresh texture. Add a little soy sauce for extra flavor and aroma. Continue cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes so the flavors can blend together beautifully. Finally, return the tofu to the pan and gently toss everything together. The dish is now ready. Tofu is an excellent source of plant-based protein. Protein helps build and maintain muscles while supporting many important functions in the body. Tofu also contains minerals such as calcium, iron, and magnesium, which contribute to bone health and energy production. Together, zucchini and tofu create a balanced meal that is both nutritious and satisfying. This simple dish is a wonderful option for anyone looking to add more vegetables and plant-based foods to their diet. Pan-fry the tofu for a few minutes on each side until golden brown and lightly crispy. Transfer it to a serving plate and enjoy. The zucchini is tender, the tofu is golden and crispy, and the aroma is absolutely wonderful. Take a moment to admire the beautiful colors of this dish. This healthy zucchini and tofu recipe is simple, delicious, and easy to enjoy. Would you like to try this recipe? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of my upcoming healthy and easy recipes. See you in the next video!